have freedom from fear, freedom from intimidation, freedom from divisiveness, freedom from hate. We want the freedom to debate, freedom to question, freedom to dialogue, freedom to engage. And this is the only way that we can build a better Malaysia. Hidup Malaysia! Mansuh Akta Hasutan! Mansuh Akta Hasutan! Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather for a fantastic cause. I am really happy to see so many of you gathered here this morning. You know, we live in the age of high-tech technology, the web, the internet. It would have been so easy for all of us to have, from the comfort of our homes, the comfort of our offices, to say anonymously over the internet what we think and feel. It takes great courage, it takes great commitment for all of you to get out of the comfort of your homes, to get out of the comfort of your offices, putting your feet on the ground in public,